Hi everyone, I'm Roy. In today's lesson, we'll explore the one-shot, OSR, method to toggle a motor on and off using just one push button. This method is particularly useful for ensuring that the motor toggles only once per press, even if the push button is held down. Detailed explanation of the program. Push button. The push button is pressed and released. When this happens, the one-shot, OSR, instruction sets the ONE_bit to 1 for one scan cycle. This ensures that the bit remains 1 for a brief period, even if the button is pressed for a longer time. ONE_bit. When ONE_bit is 1, the top branch of the logic is true. Turning on the motor, O00 is set to true. After the scan period, ONE_bit resets to 0, causing the motor to remain on because the bottom branch condition is true, which holds O00 in the true state. Next press of the push button. When the push button is pressed again, the ONE_bit is set to 1 for one scan cycle. This makes both branches false, and O00 is set to false, turning the motor off. Program flow. Press 1. The push button triggers the ONE_bit, which turns the motor on, sets O00 to true. After one scan cycle, the motor remains on. Press 2. The ONE_bit is set to 1 again, but this time both branches become false, and the motor turns off, sets O00 to false. Now, let's check if the program works as expected. Everything is running smoothly. The motor is toggling on and off with each push button press, as intended. In the next lesson, we'll explore the jump instructions method to toggle the motor on and off. This method introduces conditional logic and branching for more control over the motor. See you in the next lesson.